Check this out. Every time we go in or outside. Hey, buddy, what's up? What's up, friend? Hi. How you doing today, buddy? We got a guard pigeon on deck, so watch out when you come to visit. Here you go, my friend. There you go. Oh, yeah. Hi, pretty baby. Hi. How are you? Oh. Here's his little spot right there. So yeah, this little guy like lands on us and flies to us, and pretty cool actually. And yeah, I don't really see this pigeon hanging out with other pigeons. He's just like kind of best friends with me and my family. What's up, little buddy? You do got a few friends with doves. Hey. Hey, buddy. Hey. Today I want you to go fly around, okay? Go enjoy life a little bit, all right? Maybe meet another bird like you. Okay? That's what I want you to do today. Have a good day. Get outside. Do something cool.